I am 3 months old, and I like to laugh and kick up my legs. Show us, Desi. Kick up our legs. Yes. And I like to talk to my mommy. Yes. And what else do we like to do, Desi? I like to drink milk. I know you smile to that. You love milk, right? No smile? Oh, there it is. Yes. And what else do I like? What else? Tell me, what else? Yeah. Today I had pears for the first time. My first time having baby food. Yeah. Yeah. Kick, kick. Kick, Desi, go. Go, go, Desi, go. Go, Desi. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. That's my 1 minute of fame. Say bye.